Okay guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa navigation problem, solving dead reckoning position. This is to be solved by manual calculation and navigational computer software programs. Okay, solving number 2 yan ha, dead reckoning position. Reminders to OIC NW. The captain of the vessel sometimes will test your KUP. Anong ibig sabihin ng KUP? No? Knowledge, understanding, proficiency. He will let you solve by manual calculation or by computer software program about the dead reckoning position of the vessel. So makita ninyo dito, no? Given ship's GPS position at 12:42 hours local time, February 28, 2020, was in latitude 13 degrees 14.0 north, longitude 146 degrees 55 east. Okay, and then the gyro compass under letter B, no? Gyro compass 038 degrees, gyro error 2 degrees east, and the speed of the vessel is 14.8 knots. Yan. And letter C, on the evening, same date, yung parang pizza na yun, the ship advance 1 hour for zone time equals 10 hours ahead GMT. Nag-advance siya ng 1 hour. So, required solve for the following, no? Dead reckoning position on the next day at 11:30 hours 29 February. So, yan ang tinatanong dito. Okay, so we will solve this by manual calculation and then later on sa navigational computer software program. Okay? Sige. Punta tayo dun sa solusyon.